Now let us solve the questions from the chapter Application of Trigonometry. It is a question from the model question paper 2. Let us read the question. A tower and a building stand vertically on a level ground. From the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation to a window of the building, which is 20 meter above the ground, is 30 degree as shown in the figure. Here AB is a tower and CD is a building. From the foot of the tower, A is the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation to the window of the building, the window is C, angle of elevation of the window is 30 degree. Window is 20 meter above the ground. Next, from the same window, means from the point E, the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 60 degree. Top of the tower is B, angle of elevation from the window is how much? 60 degree. From the top of the building, the angle of depression to the foot of the tower is 45 degree. From the top of the building, means top of the building is C. From the top of the building C, the angle of depression to the foot of the tower. Foot of the tower is E and angle of depression is 45 degree. What we have to find out? We have to find the distance between the tower and the building. AD is to be find out. So you write AD equals question mark. AD equals question mark. Then we have to find out height of the tower. Height of the tower is AB. AB is also question mark. Right? AB equals question mark. AD equals question mark. AB equals question mark. And we have to find out the height of the building. Height of the building is CD. CD equals question mark. CD equals question mark. And distance between the top of the building and foot of the tower. Distance between the top of the building C and foot of the tower A. Distance between the top of the building and foot of the tower, that is AC. AC is equals to question mark. AC equals question mark. What we have to find out? We have to find out AD, that is the distance between the tower and the building, and AB. AB is the height of the tower, that is to be find out. CD is the height of the building, that is to be find out. And AC is the distance between the top of the building and foot of the tower. AC is to be find out. In this way, 4 things we have to find out. Next, to find AD. To find AD, use the right angle triangle. Which triangle we have to use? We have to use the right angle triangle ADE. Use the right angle triangle ADE. Here, angle of elevation of the window from the foot of the tower is given, that is 30 degree, and height of the window is given, that is 20 meter. Then you write to find AD. To find AD, in the right angle triangle ADB, in the right angle triangle ADE, DE is given, which is the opposite side for this 30 degree, and AD is to be find out. AD is the adjacent side. Then we have to use the trigonometric ratio with opposite side DE by adjacent side AD. Then you write which trigonometric ratio is opposite side by adjacent side, that is tan. Then you write tan 30 degree equals opposite side DE by adjacent side AD. Then what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. DE is 20 by AD. Then do the cross multiplication. 1 into AD is AD equals 20 into root 3. 20 root 3 meter. That is the distance between the foot of the building and foot of the tower. One thing you got. Next you take to find AB. AB is the height of the tower. How will you get AB? Here we have to use the right angle triangle BFE. Which angle is given? The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the window is given, that is 60 degree. Then use the right angle triangle DFE. Right, in the right angle triangle. Next you take to find AB. Here AF is known, that is equals to ED 20 meter. We need to find out BF. To find BF, use the right angle triangle BFE. Use the right angle triangle BFE. Then you write in the right angle triangle BFE. To find BF, BF is the opposite side and FE is the adjacent side. FE is equals to AD, which is equals to 20 root 3. Here these two are same. FE is 20 root 3. Then you write, therefore FE is equals to 20 root 3 meter. Then you write opposite side by adjacent side. Again use the trigonometric ratio tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equals to opposite side BF by adjacent side FE. Tan 60 is root 3. BF is to be find out. Write BF only. FE is 20 root 3. Then do the cross multiplication. You got 20 root 3 into root 3 is 20 root 3 into root 3 is equals to BF. That becomes 20 into root 3 is 3. 20 into 3, which is equals to BF. Therefore, you write BF equals 60 meter. Then what is AB? AB is equals to BF plus AF. AB is equals to BF plus AF, which is equals to BF is 60. Here AF is equals to ED. Therefore, you write 20 equals 80 meter. You got the height of the tower. AB is equals to 80 meter. Next, what we have to find out? We have to find out CD, that is the height of the building. Directly you can get CD here by using the right angle triangle ADC. Here angle C is given. Angle C is 45 degree. Therefore, angle of diffraction of the foot of the tower from the top of the building can be shown as it is. This is 45 degree. As this is 45 degree, this is also 45 degree. Therefore, you can use the right angle triangle ADC. Right? to find CD, which triangle we have to use? In the right angle triangle ADC. Here CD, the height of the building, is to be find out, and for this 45 degree CD is the adjacent side and the known side AD is the opposite side. Again you can use the trigonometric ratio tan 45, which is equals to opposite side AD by adjacent side CD. Then you write tan 45 is equals to opposite side AD by adjacent side CD. Opposite side AD by adjacent side CD. Tan 45 is 1. 1 is equals to AD. AD is 20 root 3. 20 root 3. CD is to be find out. Then CD is equals to 20 root 3 meter. That is the height of the building. Then we have to find out AC. AC is the distance between the top of the building and the foot of the tower. Again use the same triangle. To find AC, use the triangle ADC. To find AC in the right angle triangle ADC, here the angle of diffraction is given, that is 45 degree. We have to find out AC, that is the hypotenuse. So use the trigonometric ratio with the hypotenuse, sine and cos. You can use sine or cos here. If you use sine, you must use opposite side by hypotenuse. If you want to use cos, use adjacent side by hypotenuse. Then you use sine 45 degree is equals to opposite side. Opposite side is AD by hypotenuse AC. AD by AC. Opposite side AD, hypotenuse AC. Sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. AD is the distance between the foot of the building and the tower. So AD is 20 root 3. 20 root 3 by AC. Then AC is equals to 20 root 3 into root 2, which is equals to 20 root 6 meter. Now you write first one, distance between the tower and the building. Distance between tower and building. That is the first one. Distance between the tower and the building is AD. AD is equals to what? 20 root 3 meter. Right? AD is equals to 20 root 3 meter. Then the second one, height of the tower. Height of the tower. Height of the tower is AB. AB is equals to what? Here AB is equals to 80 meter. Next, height of the building. Height of the building. Height of the building is CD. CD is equals to 20 root 3 meter. CD is equals to, this is AB, CD is equals to 20 root 3 meter. Next, the distance between the top of the building and the foot of the tower. Distance between top of the building and foot of the tower. Foot of the tower, that is AC. This one AC. AC is equals to 20 root 6 meter.